Today I received the 2022 World Cup jersey for Japan. It's the home jersey player version. Like always, it's really good quality, and Mine Jerseys only ever send really good stuff. So once again, I'm happy with all they've done. So let's see, authentic. That's been ironed on there. Also the heat ready. So you can faintly see it kind of it says Japan on the side. Tags. That's all there. Stitching is good. It's been ironed on. Perfect there. Same with the Adidas. It's been ironed on. These, more of a stitching panel, something like that. Got size small. Pretty good quality, no pulls or anything on there. And then for the back's pretty nice too. I like how it's got that little white part there. Just got holes there, which is nice. Pattern's nice. That's Japanese flag's been lined on there. Just a little pocket there. And just a little bit of, there you go, pulls out easy, no problem at all. Perfect, nothing wrong there. Really good, nothing wrong with it at all. Just got plain on the back, no name, no number. Just keep it simple. It's a really nice jersey, and definitely will be ordering more, like always. Never had an issue. Perfect jersey.